Welcome to this beautiful ski-in, ski-out mountain paradise atop the spectacular Powder Mountain Ski Resort. With nearly 3,500 immaculate square feet, this modern home lives and entertains up to 14 people with a comfortable floor plan. Designed by renowned architect Michael Upwall, it features exquisite design with floor-to-ceiling windows that bathe the home in natural sunlight, and breathtaking views from this mountaintop vista that can be enjoyed from every spacious room. The reclaimed wood and interwoven indoor-outdoor living spaces throughout soften the modern lines and blends it seamlessly into the landscape. An elegant, state-of-the-art kitchen features a large island, open shelves, and a chef-quality gas cooktop. With 4 bedrooms, 2 bunk rooms, and 3 baths, this luxury ski home feels cozy when it's just you, and has ample space for guests, or to use as a vacation rental when you're not enjoying it yourself. Tucked just above the village lift and surrounded on all sides by ski slopes, you can begin your day by skiing or mountain biking directly from your home on Powder Mountain's 10,000 plus acres of recreational open space. After a day of powder turns, relax and recharge in the 8-person chlorine-free cedar hot tub or barrel sauna for the perfect après-ski. Settle for the evening around the gas fire pit on the covered exterior deck, and toast to the day's end as the sun sets in a stunning show over Ogden Valley and the Great Salt Lake. Other amenities include a large steam shower, 2 gas fireplaces, an oversized 2-car garage, and incredible views from just about every room in the house. This home will never cease to amaze, and at 9,000 feet in elevation, you'll truly see what it means to live on top of the world. From the moment you see the views over the beautiful slopes and ridges of the mountains and beyond, you'll know that this is something truly special. Contact Brandi Hammon or Heidi Webb to schedule a tour, take some turns at Powder Mountain, and fall in love with this ski-in, ski-out getaway.